Hello everybody, today I'm going to unbox this Sony TV. It's OLED. This is a Sony Bravia Google TV. Let me go down here, we have the model XR-65, means 65 inch, A80CJ, and there is also 65A80J, which is absolutely the same. CJ just means it's from Costco. So it comes with 3 years of warranty. Costco gives you an extra 2, so it's 5. It's obviously a 4K TV, but I'm not sure we can get 4K video. Everything, all channels and everything is full HD or even less. So my friends, I've just opened it. Okay. This is what on top over here. 2 Sony batteries. So it's Sony TV, Sony batteries, right? Then this thing, I don't know what it is right now, but we'll figure. And looks like another one like that. And we have a power cord and some manual about how to install it, like this. So I took away the white protection thing, and now I touch the TV. It's so thin, so thin. Wow. So these things hold the TV, and here they are. A little bit complicated. I still didn't figure what to do, but I'll figure it out. Okay, here's another paper. Child safety. So we take number 1 and put like this over here, and it should lock. And it's locked now. Done. Easy. I'll go to the second one. This one is the left one. It says number 2 here. Put it in like this. Push, push. Locked. So in order to put it on over here, I kept these plastics, so I hold them. And with another hand, and with the other hand, I was holding here, so I don't touch this part. So I didn't want to touch the screen. So thin. Super thin. So this is the back of the TV. Let's see all the inputs. Bass, video in. I have USBs, HDMI, only one HDMI. Oh, okay. And here we have 3 more HDMIs, another USB-A. Okay, we can connect internet wire. Okay, cable antenna. This is Bravia here. Bravia. I covered the serial number. And this is for power. So this one here says 4K at 120 Hertz. So this is the one I'm gonna use. And the most amazing thing is how thin it is. So thin. It gets a little bit thicker over here. Here's like the motherboard and like all this stuff, electronics. But the screen itself is super thin. This is the remote. There's a lot of buttons. And the batteries. I'm gonna put the batteries inside. So I put the batteries inside. So this TV is pretty good. Colors very good. Contrast very good. Obviously much better if you watch it with no room light. A bigger issue might be finding a good source of video. as like most of videos you watch on Netflix and elsewhere, like 720p, Full HD, like 1920, not even 4K. Like it's hard to find much of 4K, but overall it's pretty good. I saw a comparison between this one and the A90J, which is a lot more expensive, like double almost, and this one is not that much off, so this is a more rational choice if you want OLED TV. So I'm very happy, and if you buy this, I think you'll be happy too. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe.